Morning, YouTube. A few days ago I was walking at a local park and happened to notice this bird's nest laying on the ground, and I've heard people say that they're really useful for a field expedient tinder nest, so I thought I'll bring it home and give it a try. It's interesting, these birds make their nests out of just about anything they can find that's insulative. There's dry grass woven in here, twigs, dryer lint. I believe I see some human hair mixed in. So, and it's very thick, and it should catch sparks and hold them quite well. It's very thick and not porous in the least bit. Really feels like a thick little mattress. It's really a remarkable bit of work. How much work that the bird has to go to. You think of all the trips that have to be made to accumulate this material and then weave it in. It's pretty remarkable. So we'll give it a try and just see if it takes, and a little bit of experimentation. I'm wearing rubber gloves because I'm concerned about parasites with the bird's nest. So let's see how this works. Not getting it. Got an ember in there, but it didn't take. Interesting. Got a lot of embers that want to take off, but just aren't quite. Interesting. Can't get it to ignite. Well, let's try a different striker. Keep getting out of frame here. We were getting close there. Definitely had an ember that was starting to take. There we go. Yep. There we go. Finally. There you go. So yeah. Probably just more bad handling on my part. But went out again. Pretty much consumed now. And actually, you know, a good deal of this nest appeared to me to be green. So it could be it was, well, there was a lot of green materials in there. But there you have it. Apparently you can use a legitimate bird's nest for your fire making. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.